Once you're happy with the list view, you can print it. Here in my suppliers column, I have things narrowed down to just the company names. If I press the print button, it gives me two options. I can either print everything in the list by choosing print all, or I could print any rows that I have selected if I want to narrow things down. Using groups would also help. I'm just going to go ahead and print everything, and now I get a regular dialog where I can choose the printer I want to use. In this case, I'm just going to print to a PDF. Go ahead and press print there, and there you can see the column that I had shown, and if I had more shown, those would also be here in whatever order I had them in. So it's very quick and easy, and a nice way to be able to print on a piece of paper so that you can take it to the machine or wherever it needs to go.